channel Jagannath Technical Classes. Today we will start a new subject, that is the applied mechanics or the engineering mechanics. Before we are going to the study, first you have to know where the engineering mechanics or applied mechanics is from. तो क्लास स्टार्ट पूर्व फास्ट हमको जानी नवार अच्छी जे इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स और एप्लाइड मैकेनिक्स आसिला कोठु. तो इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स which is arise from a big concept, that is the mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the forces and their respective properties. We can directly say mechanics is the study related only forces, and depending upon various constituent it divided into various category, and the constituent like solid, liquid and the gases. Again, the solid is divided into two categories. One is the rigid solid and another is the flexible solid. Then here, what is the rigid body and what is the flexible body here? The rigid body, it is the body which does not deform its shape and size under the application of load. When we are applying some loads on a body, if it does not change its shape and size, we can directly say the body is a rigid one. On the other hand is the flexible body. Then what is flexible body here? Flexible means when we put some load on a body, if it can change its shape and size, we can directly say the body is of which type? The flexible type. We can directly say flexible body is the solid which can change its shape and size under the application of load is known as what? The flexible body. तो जे किसी लोड प्रोवाइड करबा द्वारा तार शेप एंड साइज को चेंज कलानी तो ताकू आमे कहि परिबा रिजिड सॉलिड. आ जो सॉलिड किसी लोड प्रोवाइड करबा द्वारा शेप एंड साइज को चेंज कला तो ताकू आमे कहि परिबा कोन ना फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी. क्लियर? अगेन come to the topic. The mechanics which deals with the rigid one is known as what? The applied mechanics, or it should be also called as what? The engineering mechanics. Again, the mechanics which deals with the flexible body is known as the strength of material or mechanics of solid or elasticity of property, etc. And the mechanics which deals with the gases and the liquid is known as what? Fluid mechanics. Clear? Then come to our study, that is the engineering mechanics. Then what is engineering mechanics here? It is the branch of science and technology which deals with the forces and their respective properties under the application of load on a rigid body. And we can directly say in mechanics or in applied mechanics we study only the rigid one or only the rigid solid, not the flexible one. तो इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स रे आमे खाली को सॉलिड विषय रे पढिबा ना रिजिड बॉडी विषय रे पढिबा, फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी विषय रे पढिबानी. बट हियर इज ए बिग क्वेश्चन arises, is there any rigid body present inside our earth? No. Answer is no. There is not a body that is of rigid type. तो एमती किछि सॉलिड अछि कि जोटा के प्रेजेंट अछि रिजिड साइड रो कि जहा को हमें किछि लोड देबी आउ से डिफॉर्म हेबनी ना. एमती किछि हमर यूनिवर्स रे मटेरियल एग्जिस्ट नाही जहा को कि मु किछि लोड देबी आउ से डिफॉर्म हेबनी. तो हियर इज ए बिग क्वेश्चन arises, तो व्हे वी आर स्टडी द रिजिड वन. तो हमें पढिबा कोन पई द रिजिड सॉलिड. तो आई एम टेकिंग ए एग्जांपल हियर. सपोज गोटे मु फुटबॉल लेनी आउ फुटबॉल को कोन कली ना गोटे मु किक देबी आउ किकटा करबा द्वारा से कोन कला ना 100 मीटर से कोन कला ना पास हुए कला बा चली गला. तो जदि मु दीटा किक देई थांती तो 200 मीटर जाय थांता. जदि मु तीनटा किक सेम देई थांती तो 300 मीटर जाय थांता. बट मु एबे कोन कली से जो फुटबॉल रे तार के कोन कली ना प्रेशर खोली देली, मींस तार शेप एंड साइज को चेंज कर देली. तो एबे मोर क्वेश्चन हैला, तो जदि मु सेही लोड बा सेही फोर्स मु अप्लाई करबी से फुटबॉल ऊपर तो से सेतिकी डिस्टेंस कवर करबो कि ना करबोनी. कोन भाई ना सेतिरे किछि कोन हिची ना शेप एंड साइज चेंज करा हिची. तो एथे डायरेक्टली कहा गला जे ना एमती किछि सॉलिड निया जाऊ तो जहा को थरे अप्लाई करले जेतिकी जीवो ना 100 थर भी एप्लाई कले से कौन हम से डिस्टेंस अकर तो आम डायरेक्टली कहवा रिजिड बॉडी इज द एजम्पशन वन और इट इज अंडर फुल्ली एजम्पशन तो रिजिड बॉडी को कौन निया है ना एजम्पशन निया है हेले एमती किछि मटेरियल नहीं तो जहाँ को आम किछि लोड दबा से कौन हबनी ना डिफॉर्म हबनी ओके देन कम टू आवर टॉपिक दैट इज द इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स और applied mechanics. Then come to the first point that is the classification of engineering mechanics. The engineering mechanics is broadly classified into two categories. One is the static and another is the dynamic. Then what is static here? It is the study of forces when the rigid body at rest. Then what is dynamic here? Dynamic. It is the opposite that of the static one. It is the study of forces when the rigid body in motion. तो rigid body constant रे आमे जो स्टडी करबा फोर्सेस रो ताकू आमे कहबा ना स्टैटिक आउ जोडा मोशन रे थिबो rigid body सेइथरे जो आमे स्टडी करबा फोर्सेस रो तो ताकू आमे कहबा कोन ना डायनामिक्स. Again the dynamics is divided into two category. One is the kinematics and second one is the kinetics. Then what is kinematics here? It is the study of acceleration, velocity and position of a rigid body in motion. Then another is the kinetics. It is the study of only forces when the rigid body is under motion. And here is an important note that in kinematics, the body is in motion without considering the forces. But in the kinetics, the body is in motion only the considering the forces. Then come to the next topic that is the assumption of engineering mechanics. तो कौन assumption निया है engineering mechanics रे. Then come to the first assumption of engineering mechanics and that is the rigid body. Then what is rigid body? We can already know what is the rigid body one. It is the body which does not change its shape and size is known as what? The rigid body. Clear? Then come to the second assumption. That is the principle of continuum. It means the body which continues throughout the section. Means तो से solid टा कौन हितबो ना continuous हितबो तो कौन थिबो से solid टा uniformly distributed थिबो. Means it does not have any voids inside the solids. से भितरे कौन नथिबो ना किछि voids present नथिबो. कौन हितबो ना uniformly distributed हितबो. Clear? So in this video program we are already discussed the introduction part of engineering mechanics. In our next video we provide the first chapter of engineering mechanics, that is the most important one, unit and dimension. So please do like, share, comment and never forget to subscribe our channel for latest update. Keep watching. Thank you.